Hey friends, welcome to my channel, your go-to design resource from a New York City creative director. It's been a few weeks since I've uploaded, but I have been working on something. I've had a lot of free time lately, and it's given me the opportunity to revisit how I put out content. The long-form content is performing pretty well, and looking at the comments, it seems like you're really enjoying the examples as well as the tips that I'm providing throughout. I'm still working through the backlog of ideas, but I wanted a way to introduce more snackable content that doesn't take me weeks to organize and produce. With that said, on Monday, I am launching 100 Days of Design. It will be one video short every single day for 100 days straight. The series will not replace long-form content, but it's a way for me to break the ice on doing video shorts as well as starting a TikTok channel. The videos will be nuggets of knowledge. We love alliteration. Speaking of alliteration, I will have Tech Tip Tuesdays, which are advice and tutorials on the design programs, mostly InDesign and Photoshop. Typography Thursdays will be a series of tutorials and styles, which are common techniques you'll find in editorial design since my background is in magazines. The coolest typefaces come from Foundries, so I'm calling it Foundry Fridays, where I highlight a different foundry each week. I imagine that a large amount of self-taught designers are using more accessible resources like Google Fonts or Adobe Fonts, and then some of you are using the very unfortunate thefonts.com, but this series will expose you to a bunch of typefaces from different foundries. And lastly, I don't see design history talked about too often, so there will be Design Style Sundays. Each week I'll cover a different design era. I think this is super important for you to have in your knowledge bank. Design today is often inspired from previous trends, and exposing yourself to those original periods will allow you to interpret them in your own way. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays will be everything else: advice, production, design principles, etc. I'll have a playlist on the channel page for you to reference if you missed any of them or if you want to go back. So stay tuned if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, and I will see you Monday.